Sige na guys, makinig. Okay lang, hindi lang tayo mag-break. Okay, 3 hours man lang ta. Okay? Guys, makinig. Number 16, please read. Go.
Equidistant from y equals to 4 and point 0, -4.
Okay, this is x, this is y, this is 0. Guys, makinig. I'll ask you something. Okay? Pag sinabing y is equal to 4, is that horizontal line? Yes? Tandaan nyo ganaya. Kapag y equals constant gani, horizontal line na. But silingon, ang iguon niya sa imo Cartesian plane is the y-axis itself. Okay? Iguon niya mismo si y is equal to 4. Klaro? Pag sinabi namang x is equal to 1, vertical ba yan? Yes, iguon niya ni si x is equal to 1. Now, tanong. What is the equation of the x-axis? Y equals? Very good. Ito, yung x-axis, y is equal to 0. How about the equation of the y-axis? X is equal to 0. Tandaan nyo na guys ha, kapag x equals constant, vertical. Kapag y equals constant, horizontal. Okay? Please take note of that. So now, makinig. Sabi daw niya, what is the locus of a point wherein yung distance niya mula sa y is equal to 4, okay? Ito yung graph ng y is equal to 4, horizontal. And the point 0, -4. What is 0, -4? Dito siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Dito daw siya. Okay? Kung baga, ang point na kon is maybe somewhere here. Nagalagaw-lagaw siya. Okay? Somewhere here. Halin dire, pakadto dira, equal daw. Okay? Guys, tandaan. Pag sinabi niyang equal distance from the line, ibig sabihin nun, it refers to the perpendicular distance. Hindi po singon nga dito ka makuha gida. Tandaan gida. The distance between the point of the line is the perpendicular distance. Why? Because that is the shortest. Please take note of that, okay? That is the shortest distance. Now guys, sabi daw niya, the distance of this point xy, of course I don't know that one, from the line y is equal to 4 down to 0, -4 is always constant. So in short, this is your D2. Mula dito, pupunta dyan, D2 yan, okay? Now, what if, tamaan ko ba? Wait lang ha. Dili lang ako. Okay. Dili lang ako. D1. Now guys, makinig. Now guys, let's say yung point ko ngayon, andito siya, okay? Di ba, diri siya ang point kani. Ganda-ganda na siya actually, kaya kabalo kung di na siya makadto. Let's say ngayon, yung point ko andito, tama lang ba na yung distance ko mula dito sa point na to, papunta doon, okay, is equal sa distance mula dito papunta dito? Why? Because from here up to here, what is that? How about this one? From here down to here, what's that? So yung distance ko is the same. Okay? So tama lang. Okay? So guys, expect mo na kung yung point ko andito, ang distance ko halin diri pa kadto to, kag distance ko pa kadto de, the same man gyapon. Kumbaga, ang point na kon madagan-dagan dira. Okay? So now, makinig. D1, what is D1? For D1, again, D1 is just the square root of what? X minus, what's this? Okay, makinig. Ano yung distance mula sa point papunta sa line? Sige daw. That's our previous topic. Okay? The distance from a point to a line. Huwag pa katoon, no? Ano yun? Nako. Okay? Doon naman nyo pa ni. AX plus BY plus C equals, over square root of A squared plus B squared. Wala katoon after review. Okay? Bots good. Discuss ko nila again. Prove ko pa ni ganun. Laba-laba, di ba? Tanda na, the distance from the point to the line is this one. Okay? Now, maganig. Kaso, if you can notice, yung equation ng line ko is just y minus 4 equals 0. Tama ba? So, yung term ko na ax plus by plus c, hindi niya na-satisfy. Kasi yung ax ko is 0. So, be it. Hayaan mo lang siya. Yung mangyari, maging 0 lang yan. Tama ba? Okay? So now, how about this by? Guys, what's the value of b in here? Ano yung coefficient ng y? 1. Okay? So, in short, this is 1 times what? Times y. Yung y na yan, ito yung coordinate niyan. Okay? Yung y na yan. Minus c. Ilan yung c? Look at this. What's the value of C? Eto ngayon si B, eto ngayon si C. Okay? Now guys, ano yung value ng C mo? Negative 4? Yes, negative 4. So from here, you can say that A is just 0 plus 1 squared. So guys, what's this? Y minus 4. Okay? Over what? Okay guys, 1 squared. 1. Square root of 1. In short, this is 1. Or simply, y minus 4. Eto ngayon si D1. Okay? Now, how about D2? For D2, okay, D2 is just what? The square root of, again, distance formula ka, point to point, what's that? X minus 0 squared plus y, guys, makinig, negative 4 po ito, okay? So, minus negative 4, what's that? Plus 4 squared, okay? So now, please simplify. Sige daw. X minus 0 squared, what's that? X squared. Plus what? Y squared plus 8y plus 16. Okay? Plus 16. Now, sabi daw niya, yung point na ito is always equidistant from this line to this line. So, tama lang ba sabihin na D1 is just equal sa D2? Yes. Okay? So, but, okay? But, D1 is just equal sa D2. What's D1? Y minus 4. Equals what? Equals the square root of x squared plus y squared plus 8y plus 16. Okay? Dahil naka-square root yung kanan, okay? I-square natin both sides para ma-cancel yung square root. Okay? So guys, please square this one. Y squared minus 8y plus 16 equals x squared plus y squared plus 8y plus 16. Okay? So guys, what can you notice? May makancel ba? Okay. May lang may makancel, no? Yung y squared tsaka y squared makakancel. Guys, yung 8y na to tsaka 8y na to, makancel ba? Hindi, kasi hindi mo sila same sign eh. Okay? Pag nilipat mo doon, di ba? Now, very good. Okay? Erase ko na yan, y naman eh. Now, makinig. Eto, continue ko lang dito ha. Guys, makinig. Lahat sila transfer ko sa right. So, what will retain is what? X squared, ano pa? Plus 16y, okay? Plus, wala na. Equals 0, okay? So guys, tandaan. Kapag isa lang ba naka-square, okay? Isa lang naka-square ha, positive man niya or negative, what's this? This is a parabola. Okay? Parabola. Okay? So, gantan lang ka-intro sa parabola ha. Dapat, ang obrahon mo, gawin mo siyang standard form. Okay? Ito yung standard form niya. Standard form. Pag tinanong ka, what is the locus? Ito yung sagot. Amo na yung sabat. Okay? Now, i-brief ta kada na sa parabola. Okay? So guys, yung standard form niyan is just x minus h squared, okay, equals what? 4a y minus k. Okay? Now, tandaan na, this is for the parabola that opens upwards. Okay? Sir, why? Tandaan nyo ha, kapag ang naka-square gani ang si x, okay? Sino naka-square dito? Si x ba? Tama? Guys, busin mo sina, ang parabola mo nagabuka pababaw. Nagabika siya pababaw or panaog. Okay? Sir, paano mo mabalaan na pababaw siya instead ng panaog? Tingnan mo ngayon yung coefficient niya. Kapag positive gani, okay, upwards na. Klaro? Now, how about this one? X minus h squared equals negative 4a y minus k. Eto ngayon is downwards. Tandaan gina, ang mag-dictate, guys, kung diin nag-open ang parabola is yung 4a na to. Yung tawag pala dito, okay? Yung tawag pala dito sa mga 4a na yan is what? Anyone? This one dictates if kung doano ka lapad, yabuka. Okay? So, yung tawag pala dito is LR or simply the latus rectum. Why pa mo na ba encounter siya eh? Shit. Okay? Latus rectum yan. Okay? Now, how about kapag ang parabola na ako nag-open left or right? Okay? Yung mangyari, yung naka-square naman is, instead nga x, si y naman. Okay? So, y minus k squared equals, ang imo nga latus rectum, guys, isayluhon mo sa x. X minus h. Okay? Now, this is opens rightward or opens to the right. Opens to the right. Okay? Now, kapag nag-negative na siya, din siya ma-open. To the left. Okay? 4a y minus k. In short, this is pa-left. Okay? Now, guys, hindi ka mo magtalang. Ganta ka mo kung ano ganta ka mo technique Sino yung naka-square? Dito, si x. Pag in-graph mo na siya, guys, this, shit. Pag in-graph mo na siya, guys, x, y. Again, sino yung naka-x? Si x. Sino yung naka-square? Sino naka-x square? Sino naka-square? Si x, okay? Guys, expect mo na may root yan. x1 tsaka x2. Tama ba? So, tama lang na yung parabola mo nagaganon. Kasi yung isang point, andito. Taran! Isang point, andito. Hindi ka magtalang Okay, gets? Now, how about this one? Sino naka-square? Si y. So guys, kung amo yung Cartesian plane, xy, busin mo doon kabilog root nimo sa y. Either dito or dito. So, tama lang ba na ganito siya? Yes. Now, walang tawa subong. Ang nakuha na itong result is x squared plus 4 or plus 16y. Guys, pag in-transpose mo sa kabila, ano mangyari nito? This is just x squared equals 16y. Tama ba? Negative 16y. Tama ba? So guys, tama lang ba na yung graph niyan is just x minus 0 squared times 16y minus 0. Ganon? Tama ba? Ganon yung graph niya? Guys, din ka ng parabola. Up or down? Up or down? In short, ang graph di ba ang batagin na diri ka naganlaga ng point? So guys, pag yung graph mo yan siya, charan! Okay? Ganyan yan siya. Gets? Nga? Klaro Ayos. Okay? Guys, ganta lang ka mugli. Last na lang a hint. Okay? Yung H tsaka K na ito, yan yung vertex. Okay? Yung H tsaka K na to, note H and K is what we call vertex. Sir, ano si vertex? Yung vertex po na yan, eto yun siya. Okay? Ang pinaka-highest and lowest points ng parabola. Guys, din siya nagagi. Sa origin ba? Guys, what's this? X minus 0, Y minus 0. Origin ba yan? Yes. That's the reason why nga din siya nag-pass through. Okay? Please copy. Kabalo ka na, di ba? Di ba sit-in ka dati? Sit-in ka dati, di ba? Try ko. Mga munisaw na minumino. Okay? Aris kita. Conic or conic section. Guys, makinig. Okay lang. Guys, makinig. Pag sinabing conic section, what does it mean? Anyone, please? I'm expecting something, okay? Nga makasabay ka mo. Pag sinabing conic section, what's this? Ikaw. Olympian ka, di ba? Sige, sige.
Conic section is the shape, the line or the line where the polygon that is formed. Kung iparang yun mo ang isa ang plane.
Very good.
Sa group sa cone.
Very good. Okay? Lakmak! Very good. Okay, guys, makinig. Lahat po na yan, okay? Lahat po na yan. Circle, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, those are called conic section, okay? So, for example, you have a cone, okay? Makinig ha? Guys, sabi daw ni Master, okay? Pag kinat mo yung cone, if you allow if you allow a plane to pass through this cone, okay, you can generate a figure. Guys, let's say, ganito yung cone ko. Assume mo lang cone niya. Tapos mo yung cutting plane na cone. Hi. Okay lang. Now, makinig. Let's say ganito yung cone. Ito yung plane or cutting plane. Pag in-cut mo siya, guys, wherein, ang imo cutting plane, perpendicular gid mismo sa axis ng cone. Tandaan na, ito yung axis ng cone. Okay? Yung cutting plane mo ngayon, ito. Okay? Perpendicular gid sila nga duha. Guys, pag cut mo sa iya, lantawon mong babaw, ano makita mo? Tawabla, tabla. Ano makita mo? Circle, okay? So guys, pag in-cut mo siya, wherein parallel ang imo nga plane or perpendicular imo plane sa axis ang cone, ang mga generate mo is circle, okay? So ganito 'yun siya. Basta mo na. Ganito 'yun siya, okay? Ito yung figure na ma-degenerate mo, okay? This is a circle. Now guys, makinig. What if i-cut ko siya ngayon wherein yung plane ko is naka-incline? What can you notice? Yes? Okay, very good. Kapag ganito yung cone ko, tapos ang cutting plane ako nagahilay, okay? Pag-cut ni mo siya sa iya, lantawon ng babaw, ang ma-generate mo actually is what? This is an ellipse, okay? Tandaan niyo lang guys ha, yung circle tsaka sphere, yung circle tsaka ellipse actually is parang same lang yan sila. Eh kaso yung nangyari lang, okay? Ang imo ellipse, hindi ya constant nangyari, radius, okay? Ang nangyari, may value ka diri nga A, may value ka diri nga B. Kung sa circle naman niya, iniya R, diri R man, okay? So, sa ellipse naton, may ginatawag kita nga degree of flatness. Okay, later i-discuss ko sa inyo. Now, eto, let's say ellipse na yan, pag pinaikot mo siya sa axis niya, what can you generate? Parang what? Di ba ellipse na siya? Okay? Gamunin siya subong ha. Okay? Ellipse na siya. Muna makita mo, assume mo nga ellipse niya, okay? Sir, eraser mo na. No, assume mo lang ellipse. Pag pinaikot mo ngayon siya sa axis niya na B na to, okay? Maka-form ka ba ng solid? Maka-form ka ng solid? Parang ano? Parang, yes? What's that? Yes? Very good. Tandaan, Earth is not a sphere. Earth is an oblate spheroid. Tandaan nyo gina? Oblate spheroid. I-note nyo da, okay? Yung mundo daw is hindi bilog, okay? Oblate spheroid yan. Parang ellipse lang yan na pinaikot mo, okay? So now, let's say, how about the circle, okay? Yung circle na to, pag pinaikot mo, what can you generate? That is a sphere, okay? Tandaan nyo na the difference between the ellipse and the circle. Now, lastly, hindi na itong blue ko man, are. Now, lastly guys, let's say mag-cut ako, erase ko na siya. Let's say mag-cut ako guys, dire ako makat. Somewhere here. Kumbaga, wala ko siya malabot dire. Okay? Dire ko lang siya gintapas somewhere here. What can you generate? Yes? Pag-cut mo siya, medyo tipsingon mo lang siya, hindi mo siya paglabuton, diyo. Okay? Medyo panipisan mo lang siya. Okay? Ang ma-generate mo actually is what? Kung makita ni mo, paglanta mo siya, mo niya churaw. Nan. Visualize niyo? Kung dream lang siya, cut somewhere here. Okay? So guys, ang parabola nimo is ganito. Okay? Ito siya, arc pa rin ito ng circle. Kasi partly, ito pa rin yun siya. Okay? Partly, ito pa rin yun siya. Okay? Ang parabola nimo, dili lang ma-start. Pakadto dire. Okay? So, ito si parabola. Again, that is a parabola. Okay? This is a parabola. Amo ni siya gin-solve naton ka gina. Okay? So now, ang atong topic subong is a circle. Okay? So please read number 19. Go.
Find the equation of the circle whose center is at 2 and 3 and radius is 3.
Okay. Kapag ganito guys, pag binigyan ka niya ng points, tandaan na, before, take note with sa inyo, how can you define a line? You can define a line with just only 2 points. Tama ba? Kasi connect the dots lang naman eh. Line na yon, okay? So now, how can you define a curve? You must have at least what? At least at least 3 points. Tandaan nyo na. Mayo long time no see pare. Spice Girls forever. Buhay pa mo Now, number 19. Guys, pag binigyan ka niya ng 3 points, okay, yung gawin mo lang ganito. Okay? ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. Guys, tandaan na, this is the standard form for all the conics. Parabola man yan, ellipse, hyperbola, okay, and so on, circle, okay? This is the standard form. Sir, paano na? Makinig. Pag hyperbola or pag parabola gani, yung isang term na may squared, maka-cancel out. Tama ba? Okay? So, yung material na lang is isa yung may square. Now, how about the circle? Kapag circle siya, guys, yung A mo tsaka B is the same. Tsaka plus yan. Okay? Now, how about hyperbola? Yung A ko tsaka B, present, kaso minus. Okay? How about sa ellipse? Yung A tsaka B ko, present, kaso hindi sila mag-equal. Okay? Kaso, plus pa rin yan siya. Okay? So now, kapag circle siya, guys, tama lang ba na yung A ko tsaka B is the same? Tama? Okay, so in short, eto tsaka eto is the same. This is A equals sa B, okay, for circle. Okay, tandaan din na. Now, para ma-reduce mo guys ang imo equation, kung ma-notice mo, ilang points yung binigay sa'yo? Ilan? Ilang points binigay sa'yo? Number 19. Number 19, ilang points meron? Reduce, galing natag niya, no? Sorry. Number 20 na ginabasa ko eh. Okay guys, gawin mo lang, number 19, ganitong solusyon yan. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Yung h tsaka k mo, that is the center, where h, k is what we call the center of the circle. Okay? Center of the circle. Okay? So now, yung gawin mo lang guys, direct substitution, okay? Substituting, number 20, galing gina-solve ko ginang 3 equations, 3 unknowns. So, x minus h. Guys, ano yung center niya? Yung center daw niya is at 2, negative 3. Okay? This is 2, negative 3. So guys, yung gawin mo lang, eto ngayon yung h mo, yung 2 na to. Eto ngayon si h, eto ngayon si k. Okay? So guys, substitute mo lang dito sa formula na yan. X minus 2 squared plus y minus negative 3 squared equals what? Ilan yung radius? 3. Okay? Squared. So guys, simplifying was this? X squared minus 4x plus 4 y squared minus magiging plus 6y plus 9 equals 9. Guys, eto, makakancel lang din yung 9 na yan. Okay? So in short, x squared minus 4x plus y squared. Guys, tandaan na, ang format sin actually always from highest degree pakadto sa lowest. So x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 equals 0. Ito ngayon yung sagot. Okay? Direct substitution lang. Kung ma-notice mo kagina sa parabolaya, x minus h squared man, kaso equals 4ay minus k. Okay? Subong niya mo niya basta circle. Okay? This is for circle. Tandaan ko niya, this is for circle. Okay? Please copy. Ang iniingang solusyon, this is actually for number 20. Okay? It's not the standard form. This is the general form. General form. This is general form. Okay? For all the conics. Ito yung standard form niya. Okay? Yung mga may h tsaka k. Guys, makinig. Pag tinanong kita, what is the standard form? Tandaan nyo, may mga h kag k nga na amo siyang standard form. Okay? Ang mga may a, b, c, d, amo na siyang general form. Klaro? Okay, liwaton ko basta may h, k, amo na ang standard form. Ang may a, b, c nga all caps is general form. Okay, now, number 20. Go.
Find the equation of the circle that passes through 2, 3, 3, 4, and negative 1, 2. Also find the center and radius.
2, 3, 3, 4, negative 1, 2. Okay? So guys, makinig. Kung subong sa inyong level subong, need mo talaga siya i-dissect. Okay? Principle by principle. Pero again, kung magkuha ka na exam, pwede ka man kaagi sa choices. Okay? Back solve mo. Okay? So later, ituduan ka mo. Now guys, yung gawin mo lang, okay? Use general form. Okay? Now, what's that? ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. Guys, tandaan, kung circle lang man gina-solve mo, huwag ka na magpakaalamat pa. Alam mo naman ang a mo tsaka b is the same. Tama lang ba? Guys, ilang variable or ilang points meron ka? 1, 2, 3. If you look at the general equation, ilang variable meron? You have 5 unknowns. Okay? So guys, hindi mo siya kaya i-solve kung 3 lang imo given. Kasi, yung ma-generate mo is just 3 equations. 3 equations ka, 5 unknowns. Okay ka lang? Hindi mo kaya i-solve. So, gawin mo lang, why not cancelin mo sa A at si B? Kasi, same lang man yung value nila, di ba? So guys, gawin mo na lang, let A and B equal to 1. And you'll end up with this, x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e. Ilang variable meron? Ilang given meron? 3. Solvable hindi? Solvable, okay? So that's one of the technique, okay? So guys, makinig. At 2, 3, okay? I-substitute mo lang ang value ng x tsaka y, okay? So guys, makinig. What's the value of x? Okay, so 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 2c, ang 2 nga x, i-substitute mo dire. 2 times c, okay? Plus 3y mo ni karon. 3d plus e equals 0. Okay, so what's this? 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, 13. Plus 2c plus 3d plus e. Sana 3c na lang. 4c, no? 4d, tapos 4e. Joke lang. Okay, cut ha. Mahinang nila lang ng kakat. Now, makinig. Guys, yung unang point, sinubstitute mo na. Okay? Now, how about this point? Yung second point naman, at, what's that? At 3, 4. Okay? Substituting, guys. Please, what's that? 3 squared. 3 squared. Guys, sino hindi kasabay? Ang ginawbra natin, ang values ng x, substitute na natin sa equation yan eh. Okay? So, 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 3c plus 4d. Okay? This is x, this is y. Okay? So, guys, what's this? Plus 4 squared plus 3c plus 4d plus e equals 0. 9 plus 16. 25. 3c plus 4d plus e. Okay? Equals 0. Okay? Now, lastly, at, what's that? Negative 1, 2. Okay? So guys, makinig. What's the value of x? Negative 1. Pag in-square mo yan, okay. Sige na lang. Negative 1 squared plus 2 squared plus, minus na lang siguro, minus c plus 2d plus e. Okay? Sino hindi kasabay? Ang natabo, in-substitute ko lang dari ang x, in-substitute ko lang ang value ng x. So, negative 1 times c, kaya naging negative c. Okay? Klaro ba? Guys, 1 plus 4, 5. Minus c plus 2d plus e equals 0. Guys, alam niyo na siguro yung result nito? What? Caltech. Mode? Very good. Dito sa sa piyak na section, may mode 5 to expert to. Sagad-sagad siya bla. Okay, na, makinig. Mode 5, 2. Guys, tandaan nyo lang perme, before ka mo gani magamit sang any Caltech na gintudlo ko or ikaw man mag-develop sang imo, lantaw nyo danay. Mode 5. Okay? Stop ka danay. Hindi ka na direkta lang. Mode 5. Lantawa. Ano ang nakabutang sa 2? Ano yung form niya? AX plus BY plus CZ. Ito yung tanong. Equals D ba or plus D? Equals D. So guys, ang ginobra ni mo ya, A, B, C, ang imo constant ari sa piyak. So gawin mo i-transpose mo sa kabila. Klaro ah? Liwatan ko. Di ba sa format ng calculator, naka AX plus BY plus CZ equals D? In short, lahat ng variable dito sa left, lahat ng constant sa right. Eh ano yung ginawa mo? Pati yung constant doon, nasa left oh. So you need to transpose this one kapag mag-calculate ka na, negative 13. Okay? So makinig. Subong, sa imo calculator, ganito. Okay. What's this? 2, 3, 1, negative 13. How about this one? 3, 4, 1, negative 25. Lastly, negative 1, 2, 1, negative 5. Give me the value of A, B, C. Yun lang. 2, negative 14, 25. Okay? Guys, kung ginapamangkot ka, what is the equation of the circle? I-substitute mo lang dito. Okay? I-substitute mo lang dito. X squared plus Y squared plus, yung A na to guys, this refers to the value of your C. Okay? Now, what's the value of C? 2x minus 14y plus 25 equals 0. Now guys, makinig. Hindi na magsulat. Wait lang. Ang ubrahon natin guys, okay? Kung mag-exam ka na, mag-board exam ka na, hindi ka na magmuni. Okay? Maybe makaspend ka 5 minutes, 10 minutes sa muni-muni lang. Ang ubrahon mo lang guys, di ba given ka ng 3 points? Pili ka sa choices. Okay? I-type mo sa calcio. Alpha x squared, testing eh. Alpha x squared plus alpha y squared plus 2 alpha x minus 14 alpha y plus 25. Okay? Calc. Pinduta subong. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. What's the result? 0. Pag mag-0 sa, yun yung sagot. Loton ko ah. Di ba letter A na eh? Testingan ko letter A. Type ko, calculate lang. Pag type ko sa calculator, press calc. Okay? Na-type na ni subong. Okay, calc. Mamangkot siya ba yun X, ibutang mo ang point ka na eh. But silingon, ang imo nga circle, nag-pass through sa point ka na. Okay? Pag mag-equal siya guys sa 0, yun na yung sagot. Okay? So, calc. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3. What's the result? Ilan? Y nag-try? 0. Liwat. Calc. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4. What's the result? Ayos. Guys, tanan yun eh. I-satisfy niya dapat. Okay? But silingon, gin-pass through yung 3 ka points ka na eh. Huwag ka na magpakalamat pa. Okay? Hindi ka na mag-solve lawig-lawig. Okay? Pero pag ginmangkot kaya sa equations ang circle nga, mumuto, solve ka agad. Guys, last na lang. Calc. X is equal to negative 1. Y is equal to 2. Ilan? Okay. That's the result. That's the answer. Copy. 1 hour na? Thank you. 1 hour na? We'll now proceed to another conics which is parabola. Okay? So guys, again, nag-discuss na ko brief sang parabola. Okay? So ito yung example niya. Please read number 21. Go. Ready? Go.
Given the parabola y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus 17 equals 0, determine the focus.
Makinig. Feeling ko may sala sa given niya. Okay guys, makinig. Kung hatagan niya ka sa equations ang parabola and required kang ang itao ng vertex, ang focus, ang latus rectum, okay? Ang directrix, okay? Guys, you need to simplify this first. You need to graph this one. How? Okay? Ibalik mo lang siya guys sa standard form niya nga makita mo si H, kag si K, kag si 4A. Okay? So, sir, paano yan? Please, come in. Now, makinig. Guys, you can notice, sino yung naka-square? Si Y ba o si X? Si Y. So guys, expect mo na yung parabola either opens rightwards or leftward. Okay? So, sideways yung opening niya. Yes? Ay, sorry. Plus 2Y pa. So, plus 2Y plus 17 equals 0. So, later, maybe may change kita sa constant, okay? Basta hindi siya mag-whole number, okay? So, guys, makinig. Tandaan na, okay? Sige na, focus na, okay? Guys, makinig. Yung gawin nyo lang, kapag binigyan ka na ng equation ng parabola, i-complete mo yung square, okay? So, y squared plus 2y, okay, equals 6x minus 17. Tama ba? Tama hindi? Okay, now, makinig. Guys, ano gagawin, okay? Tandaan mo okay? Complete the square. Kawalo na ko mo sine? Complete the square. Okay? Now, how? Makinig. Y squared plus 2y. Guys, makinig. Kung manotice mo kagina, may ganito ka. Y plus 1 squared. Okay? Guys, please expand this one. Y squared plus what? 2y plus 1. Eh kaso, yung term mo nga yun, kulang siya. Okay? So, yung gawin mo lang, ganito. Ini, i-divide mo siya sa 2. Okay? 2 divides sa 2. Then square the answer. So, 1 square is what? In short, babalik ka dito. Okay? Liwatan ko Kapag binigyan ka na ng ganyan, i-complete mo ang square. How? Okay? So, y squared plus 2y. Sir, paano ko i-complete ang square? Ang matabo, ang first degree ni mga term, divide this by 2. 2y divides sa 2. Sorry. 2 divides sa 2. 1. Okay? Ang answer mga 1 is square mo lang. Klaro? In short, this is plus 1. Equals 6x minus 17. Guys, kung ma-notice mo, nag-add ka 1 sa left, so tama lang ba na mag-add 1 ka din sa right? Yes. Okay? Now, sige ba, testing lang. For example, x squared minus 4x. Okay? Paano mo i-complete ang square? Plus what? Plus 4. Negative 4 divided sa 2, negative 2. Square that 1, ito yun. Ang muna complete sang square, okay? Take note of that. Okay? Now, makinig. Ang purpose lang, complete mo ang square para ma-simplify mo siya into this form. Sir, paano na? Kasi, eto siya, pag sinimplify mo or in-expand mo, babalik lang din dyan. That's the reason why expand mo siya. Complete mo ang square niya. Para makuha mo ang values ini. Okay? So, what's this? Y quantity 1 or y plus 1 quantity squared. Pag sinimplify mo ito, babalik ka rin dito. Sir, ngagin muna mo siya. Because, ang gulang ni mo is itaon mo si h and si k. Okay? So, kung manotice mo sa parabola, x minus h, 4a, y minus k. Tama ba? So, alam mo na, may k ka na. So, how about this one? 6x plus minus 16. So, di ba? Mali. Gawin natin 8, 4. Gawin natin itong 4. Gawin natin itong 4, guys. Para whole number. Kasi 16 divided by 6 is hindi siya whole number. Okay? So, brown na to ni siya nga 4 para mag-whole number siya. Hindi kita yawan graph. Kamudlay mag-graph kung may decimal. Okay? So, I hope na-realize nyo Ang goal ko lang naman, ganito. Y plus 1, please edit your module. Gawin mo siyang minus 4x, not 6x. Para hindi tabulayan mag-graph. Sa exam ko, pag amo ng given, hindi mo pag-islan Basta mamatomato ka. Wag. For the sake of an example, para hindi tayo mabudlayan, islan mo given, okay ka lang? No ka, Lord? 4. X minus what? 4. Amo na siya ginanamin ko, guys. Kasi, kung 6x na siya, sa good exam or cancer, kaya gina-islan mo given. Ang klase exam naman. Ay, nako. Ang goal ko lang naman, guys, i-factor out ko yung coefficient. O, example, i-factor mo si 6. Anong factor ng 16 tsaka x? Naka 6. Wala, di ba? So, gawin mo itong 4 para pwede mo siya ma-factor out. Now, guys, what can you notice? Sa standard form sa parabola, ano nga yun? Y minus k squared equals 4a x minus h. So by that, you can simply say na yung k mo is negative 1. Kasi naka-format ka negative. So kapag mag-plus na alam mo na negative yon kasi minus, minus. How about this one? Ito ngayon si H. Okay? So in short, you can simply say that H and K is just what? Is just positive 4, negative 1. Always, guys, mag-graph sa H una, 4, negative 1. Ito yung value ng H, ito yung value ng K. Sige, dito na lang. Ito si K, ito si H. Okay? Now, ano yung tanong? Ano pinapanap sa'yo? Determine the focus. Okay? So, before that, kailangan mo munang i-graph si parabola. Okay? Actually, in just one glance, alam ko na rin yung focus. Patudluan ta ko mag-graph. Okay? So now, graphing that one, okay? What is the value of H? 4, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. How about K? Dito siya, okay? Guys, makinig. Again, sino yung naka-square? Si Y ba o si X? Si Y. So, expect mo na dalawa yung root mo. Up, down. Tama? So, in short, guys, yung parabola ko, it's either opening rightwards or leftwards. Pero basta si Y naka-squared, either right or left, okay? So guys, makinig. Kung eto si HK, eto ngayon yung vertex mo. This is the vertex, okay? So guys, lantawa subong imong latus rectum. Ang latus rectum nimo, amo ni siya ang sagwa sang quantity. Eto si 4A. Yung 4A ko ba equals to 4? Liwat. Yung 4A ko ba is equal to 4? Para hindi ka magtala, nga rin siya. Y plus 1 squared is equal sa 4 times x minus 4. Guys, kapag i-dissect mo na siya, parang ganito yon. X or y minus squared equals what? 4 times x minus 4. Okay? So by that, you can simply say na ito si H, ito si K. Guys, ito ba si 4A? Okay, makinig. If 4A is equal to 4, what's the value of A? 1. Very good. Divide both sides by 4, yan yung A mo. Makinig ha? Now, na-prove na natin na yung parabola ko is opening rightwards. How? Kasi yung 4A ko is positive. Tama? Now, makinig. Pag tinanong ka ngayon, saan dyan si focus? Tandaan gid guys ha, the distance from the vertex pakadto sa imo nga focus is what? That is A distance. Klaro? Liwatan ko. The distance from the vertex pakadto sa imo nga focus is what? That is A distance. Klaro? Now, guys, 4 ba ito? Negative 1 ba yan? Guys, kung ang vertex nimo nakatuon siya sa 4, tama lang ba na yung focus mo is somewhere here sa 5? Liwatan ko Ang vertex ko ari sa 4, negative 1. Tama? Guys, yung focus ko ngayon is A distance from the vertex. Okay? So guys, ilan si A? 1. So guys, 4 plus 1. In short, what's the coordinate of the focus? 5, negative 1. Yan yung sagot. Klaro? Klaro Sige. Digest na basta hindi ka matunawan. Ganta ka 5 seconds. Okay na? Smooth lang? O gamo? Magulo ba? Liwatan ko the distance from the vertex to the focus is just A. That's the reason why nga need mo kaon si 4A, which is the latus rectum, and divide it by 4. Okay? Ang value sang A, amo na siya ma-dictate sa distance between the focus and the vertex. Now, makinig. Determine the ends of the latus rectum. Ito ngayon yung masaya. Makinig. Ang 4A nga ni guys, ito si latus rectum, right? Ito si LR. Si latus rectum. Amo na siya ang length niya. Guys, makinig. Ang latus rectum nimo actually, it passes through the focus and siya ang ma-decide kung ano kalapad ang pagbuka ni parabola. Okay? So yung tanong ngayon, ano daw yung coordinates nito? Ano daw yung coordinates niyan? Ends of latus rectum. So ginanamin sina, ano yung coordinate nito? Ano yung coordinate niyan? Okay? So expect mo na guys, na yung value ng x niya is what? 5 ba? Ganda ka 2 seconds. Liwaton ko. Guys, ano yung coordinate ng ano yung x coordinate ng point na to? 5 ba? How? Kasi dumaan din siya sa point wherein dumaan si focus. Tama? So in short, 5 lang din yan. 5 lang din yan. Tanong ngayon, ano kaya yung value ng y coordinate niya? Makinig. Yes? Makinig. Okay, guys, makinig ha. Kung yung LR ko is just equal sa 4, kasi yan si 4A, tama? LR ko is just equal sa 4A is just equal sa 4. Tama ba? Now, in short guys, mula daw dito, papunta dyan, 4 yan. 4 units daw yan. In short, tama lang ba na yung half ng 4 is 2? Yes, okay? So from here, ilan si Y? Negative 1. So kapag mag plus 2 ka, negative 1 plus 2, ilan? In short, 5, 1. Iwatan ko. Ang latus rectum ko is 4 units. How, sir? Yan siya, oh, sa labas, yung LR. Ito yung total height niya. So from the focus, half niya yan papunta dun sa isang end niya. From the focus, half niya yan papunta sa isang end. Tama? So kung 4 yung total, ilan yung half? 2. Ilan yung coordinate ng focus? 5, negative 1. So tama lang ba na from here, you need to move 2 units upwards? So negative 2 yung Y ng focus, plus 2, ilan to? 1. Now, negative 1, downwards, 2 units, ilan ito? Negative? Very good. Ito ngayon yung ends of latus, ends of LR. Okay? Ends of LR is just 5, negative 3, and what? 5 and 1. Okay? Ito yung sagot para sa number 22. Okay? 22. Okay? Sa number 21 naman mo ya guys, the focus is at what? 5, negative 1. Ito ngayon yung sagot. Okay? Sige. Digest mo tanay. Kay determine naman natin si directrix. Wow. Ano yun? Grabe ba? Huwag kong question sa likod. Huwag question. Ano yung tanong sa number 23? Hindi determine, determine. Determine. May ara ko mga engineer nga po, bala nga pronounce sila, 5 meters daw. Meters, Meg, hindi meters. Okay, 5 meters. Not meters, ha? Meters, okay? Guys, makinig. Number 23, determine the equation of the directrix. Please. Please, makinig. Guys, please, matina. Ano yung directrix? Ano yung directrix? Guys, kagina, please, kung madumduman nyo pa sa problem number 16, equidistant sa y is equal to 4 and 0.0, negative 4. Kagina, guys, ang ginubra na to, nagbutang kita tapos nagbuni kita sa parabola, tama? Yung line na yon na y is equal to 4, eto yung directrix niya. Tandaan nyo na, ang line or in, equidistant permi ang imo nga point, okay? Amon siyang ginatawag nga directrix. Now, ang natabo guys, try mo siya i-rotate pakado dito. Tama lang ba na yung directrix ko is andito? Yes? Check to? Okay. Eto ngayon si directrix. Directrix. Okay? Now, makinig guys. Kagina, y is equal to 4 yan. Okay? This is 0, 4. Eto kagina, ano na siya? 0, negative 4. Guys, tama lang ba na yung vertex ko, okay? Pakadto dito, kag pakadto dire. Now, makinig guys. Halin dire, pakadto dira, that is what we call A. Okay? In short, the distance from the vertex pakadto sa focus is also equal sa distance from the vertex pakadto sa directrix. So in short, if V pakadto sa F is A, the distance from the vertex to the directrix is also what? Okay. A din po yan. Okay? So in short, pag tinanong ka ngayon, what is the equation of the directrix? What is the equation of the directrix? Kagina, gitudloan ta na ka mo, equation sa vertical line is just x is equal to constant. In short, what's this? X is equal to what? X is equal to 3. Ito ngayon yung equation ng directrix mo. Okay? Equation of directrix.
Straight line ng ginagawa ng directrix.
Yes. Ano directrix mo ka, liko? Directrix, okay? In short, straight line. Gets nga? Kagina, himay-himay tayo ka mo, what is the equation of the horizontal line? What is the equation of the vertical line? Kasi ito yung purpose nun. Klaro ba? X is equal to 3. Why? Because 4 minus 1, 3 yun. Okay, this is 3. Okay, copy. Yes ta. Junabel, question. Sige. Maya. Ano ko siya?
Tayo.
Very good sa inyo mga diba?
Find the equation of a parabola with axis parallel to y, passing through 5, 4, 11, -2, 21,
Ano daw? Axis niya is parallel to y. So expect mo na ang naka-square is si y. Okay? Sorry, axis parallel to y. So in short, ang parabola opens up or down. Okay? So guys, makinig. Ganito yon, x, y. Pag sinabi niyang axis of parabola, makinig guys ha, kung amo ng parabola mo, amo siyang tinatawag na axis of parabola. Klaro? Kung amo ng parabola mo, amo ng axis of parabola. Klaro? Now guys, makinig. Sabi niya, it passes through 5, 4, 11, -2, 21, 4. Okay, why nako, hindi na ako mag-graph. Ko. So expect mo na yan na maybe dito siya nag-open. Okay? Dito siya nag-open. So guys, gawin mo na lang ganito. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Ganyan na. Sir, di ba kaginambal mo ax squared plus by squared plus c? Okay? Amo to siyang general form. Okay? So, maski ano lang nga letter, actually gamiton ni mo para ma-solve mo siya ang imo nga coefficients. Pero, kapag balaan mo na nga ang parabola ni mo, opening up or down, expect mo na ngayong naka-square doon is x. Klaro? Kapag ang parabola nag-open up or down, ang naka-square dyan is x. Kasi, ang root ni mo is x1, x2. Duha ka values ang x. Okay? So now, sir, paano mo nabalaan nga nag-open siya up or down? Kasi sabi niya, yung axis daw ng parabola is parallel sa y-axis. So, hindi man pwede ang parallel mo, dito siya pakadto. Okay? So now, gawin mo lang, i-input mo lahat ng points. Ano yon? Meron 5, 4, next, 11, -2, 21, -4. Okay? So guys, substituting. Guys, what's the value of at 5, 4? Okay? Guys, what's the value of y? 4. Okay? So, a times 5 squared. Ito yung x ko. Lagay ko dyan. Okay? So, 5 squared. Plus, b times what's x? 5. Okay? So, dili ka muna focus sa point ka na. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So, dito muna lahat. Okay? So, what's this? Plus c. Simplifying, what's this? 5 squared is what? 25 plus 5b plus c. Okay? So now, guys, this will become our equation 1. So expect nyo na yung result nito. This is just a mode 5-2. Kasi A, B, C. Tandaan nyo, guys, basta equation ka isang curve, you need 3 points. Expect mo na ang result sila pero may mode 5-2. Klaro? Of course, may technique tayo na mas mabilis dyan. Okay? Now, makinig. Kinig. At point what? 11, -2. Okay? 11, -2. Guys, substituting, what's the value of y? -2. Guys, what's the value of x? 11. 11 squared plus, substitute mo dito, plus 11b plus c. Okay? So what's this? 11 squared is what? 121a plus 11b plus c equals -2. Okay? This will now become our equation 2. Now, lastly, at the last point, 21, -4, okay? What's the value of y? -4. Guys, what's this? A times 21 squared. A times 21 squared plus 21b plus c. 21 squared is what? 441 plus 21b plus c, -4. This will become our equation number 3. Okay? Now, mode 5-2. Sa board exam ba, walang pink ang kalkyo Ano na cellphone Joke. Isa lang ang kalkyo dapat. Pwede ka kadala, pero wala taklob. Bawal may taklob. Guys, makinig. Mode 5-2. Yes? What's this? 25? 5? 5? 1, 4. How about this one? 1 to 1, 11, 1, negative 2. Lastly, 4, 4, 1, 21, 1, negative 4. What's the value of A? Huh? 0.05. What's the value of B? Negative? Press SD. Ganyan ka fraction. This is 1 over 20, right? 1 over 20, ne? How about this one? Negative 9 over 5. Lastly, point? 47 over 4. Okay? Yan na yung sagot. So guys, pag tinanong ka, what's the equation of the parabola, gawin mo lang, that is just what? X squared over 20, kasi 1 over 20 times x squared is just x squared over 20, okay? Plus what? Minus 9x over 5 plus 47 over 4. Eto ngayon yung equation ng parabola. Okay? So again, kung trip mo, mag-board exam, given ka sang points, pili ka lang sa choices. Pinduton mo ang letter, say, letter A na eh. Type mo lang, alpha x squared over blah, blah, blah. Calc. Butang mo si point ka na eh. Pag mag-equal ka na dito sa 0, okay? Pag mag-equal ka na sa y, yun na yun. Okay? Hindi ka magbutang sa ano ha, dapat equate mo siya sa 0. Okay? Para pag mag-0, yun na yun. Yung y mo transform sa piyak, minus y ka. Para pag mag-0, yun ang sagot. Okay. Okay na ne? Caltech, gusto nyo? Mo, sige. Kuha ta ng kalkyo. Mode 3, 3. Okay? This is x, this is y. Guys, what's the value of x1? 5, 4, 11, negative 2. 21, negative 4. Okay? AC. Sa nakakasyo, shift 151, give me the value of A. Sa nakakanon, shift or ups, reg, hanapin nyo sa A. Ilan sa A? 11. Ilan sa A? That is 47 over 4 or 11.75. Shift 152. Or reg, hanapin mo ngayon si B. Ilan si B? Negative. Negative 1.8 or negative 9 over 5. Okay? Shift 153. Sa nakakanon, reg, hanapin si C. 0.05 or simply what? 1 over 20. Okay? So guys, makinig. Now, magtatanong ka ngayon, sir, bakit baliktad? Tandaan, ang program sa calculator mo, sa mode 3.3, it takes the form of what? Y is equal to cx squared plus bx plus a. What's the value of c? What's the value of b? What's the value of c? Ano? Ang c? Ang a ni mo to? Aring a yo? Gane. Sorry. Magparabolic kag magcatenary curve kita, mag-integrate kita volumes, mode 3.3, okay? Yes? 1 hour na? 1 hour na? Ha? 58, 2 minutes. Oblong, okay? I don't know. Oblong. Parihaba, di ba? Parihaba, okay? Now. Okay na guys. I'll now discuss to you the principle, okay? Please, mate danay. Please keep your phones danay, guys. Okay? Gamay na lang ang time. Makinig. Now, guys, I'll discuss to you the principle of ellipse, okay? Yung ellipse mo, parang circle lang din yan siya. Kaso ginunat mo, okay? Yan, okay? Makinig guys ha. Yung ellipse, may property po yan, okay? Ito yung tinatawag nating center, okay? Ito yung tinatawag nating vertex, tsaka may tinatawag yan siyang focus, okay? Klaro? Guys, makinig. From here, from the center, pakadto sa vertex, okay? Tawag po dyan A. Okay? Yan yung mahaba. Okay? From the center, pakadto sa isa ka vertex, tawag din dyan A. Okay? Mula sa center, papunta sa top, okay? Tawag po dyan is B. Tawag po dyan is B. Makinig. Psst. Mate. Psst, mate. Now, kung vertex ito, okay, what do you call this point? Makinig. Vertex, yan. Okay? Tandaan, ang vertex always lie sa mahabang axis. Okay? Now, ano yung tawag dyan? Yung tawag po dyan is co-vertex. Tandaan na? Co-vertex. Now, makinig. Guys, yung tawag sa A na yan, okay? May ginatawag kita nga major axis. Okay? Guys, anong pinagkaiba ng major axis sa major axis? Wrong spelling na? Ha? Axis? Okay, makinig guys ha. May major axis, may major access. Okay? Guys, pag inambalan niya ka nga, major axis, but silingon sina, ini siya 2A. But silingon sina, from one vertex pakadto sa another vertex. Guys, pag natagan niya ka, the length of the major axis is 10. But silingon, ang values ng A is 5. Careful with that one. Namudamo ka katangay sinada. Okay? Kapag I gani, but silingon 2A. Okay? Pag access naman guys, ano yun? Ito ngayon si A. Okay? Guys, makinig. Yung major axis na ito, yung tawag po dito, okay? Yung tawag po dito is what? Semi-major axis. Okay? Pag binigyan ka niya, the length of the semi-major axis is 5. Yun na yun, si A. Klaro? Okay. Now, how about the minor axis? The minor axis, guys, is just what? Ito ngayon si 2B. Okay? And the minor axis, okay? Yan naman ngayon si B. Okay? Ito naman si B. So, same lang din po yan. Okay? Kapag semi-minor axis, okay, it refers to the B alone. Okay? You don't need to divide. Okay? Now, makinig. Mate guys ha. Halin diri pakadto dira, halin sa vertex pakadto sa center, A po yan. Okay? Now, halin naman sa focus pakadto sa center, yung tawag po dyan is C. Okay? Halin diri pakadto dira, yung tawag po dyan is C. Okay? So, from here to here, A. From here to here, C. From here to here, that is B. From here to here, that is B. Now, tanong, ano ngayon yung length nito? From the focus pakadto sa co-vertex. Ano yan? Square root of B squared plus C squared. Or simply what? 5. 4. Very good. Makinig. Ito yung pinakamagandang property ng ellipse. I assume nga ang tip sa akong pen, ari sa B, ang isa ka tip ato sa C. Tama? Sorry. Yes, okay. Ang isa ka tip ari sa B, ang isa ara sa C. Guys, pag in-incline mo na siya pakadto dito, sakto lang gina siya nga ang length ni equal lang gid dito. Okay? Tandaan. Okay? Ang isa ka equation nga gamiton nimo sa ellipse is what? A squared is just B squared plus C squared. Parang Pythagorean lang din siya, wherein yung A yung hypotenuse. Klaro? Tandaan gina. Okay? Sa hyperbola, baliktad. Sa hyperbola, si C na yung naka-squared. Original siya nga Pythagorean. Klaro? Okay. Okay na? Lubat na? Now, again, okay? Isali ka equation na gamiton nimo. So, butangan ta ka formulas. Okay? Amo ni mo resita. Okay? Isang equation pa guys is what? If you can still recall, dati yung COT, hindi naman yan COT. Okay? Ano yan dati? Yes, COE? Yes, Kalichog? Kalichog? Okay. Hindi ko siya malipatan, the CEA. Okay? Now, ano yan siya? Yung C na yan, eto po yun siya. Yung A na yan, eto po yun siya. Eh, ano naman yung E? Yes? Okay. Where? Earth mo ron. Yung E mo guys, okay? Yung E mo guys is what we call the eccentricity. Okay? Yes. Gintawag siya guys ng eccentricity because tungod sa iya nga, kumbaga do lipid siya nga circle, naglupyak siya nga circle. In short, ang eccentricity mo is may value. Okay? So guys, makinig. Note. Note if E is equal to 1.0, okay, sorry. If E is equal to 0, what figure is this? Circle. Guys, ang circle, that is a figure wherein wala siya eccentricity. Ang center mo, ang focus, arada mismo. Tama? So in short, ang eccentricity mo is 0. Okay? So now, how about, gaanya ka, what conics wherein yung eccentricity mo is equal to 1.0? What is that? What's this? Yes? This is a parabola. Please, guys, take note nyo kita. Iban ka take note, iban daway lang. Okay? Bahala ka mo da. Parabola po yan. Parabola. Okay? Basta ang eccentricity mo 1, okay? Parabola po yan. If you can notice, kung may parabola ka, okay? Ang imo focus, aride. A ba yan? Vertex to focus, A ba yan? Now, how about vertex to directrix? A din ba yan? Okay, in short, A divides sa A is? Klaro? Ano? Ang sine mo kag A equal. So, A divides sa A. That is E, which is A over A, that is 1.0. And lastly, guys, kapag ang ini mo is greater, kapag ang ini mo, kapag ini mo is less than, ini mo is greater than 0 but less than 1, okay? Less than 1.0, this is what we call ellipse, okay? Tandaan nyo, Perme, the ratio of C divides sa A is always less than 1. Why? Kasi yung C mo is always maikse compare sa A. That's the reason why. Okay? Tandaan ka niya. Kapag ang iniman mo is greater than 1, greater than 1, okay, what's this? Very good. This is hyperbola. Okay? Tandaan ka niya. Take note of this. Okay? Take note of that. Okay? Now, I guess, though ready ka na mag-solve, lakas ka na sa principle, let's solve problem number what? Arya. Number 28. Please read. Go.
Consider the center of the ellipse is at -1, 3. Find the equation of the ellipse eccentricity is 1/2 and distance between the rectangles.
Guys, dugang ko na lang The standard form for the equation of the ellipse is just x minus h squared plus y minus k squared over a squared. Okay? B squared equals to 1. Ini siya, guys, mate amo ni siyang equation niya kapag ang imo ellipse nagahigda. Okay? Ang imo a nagalay sa x-axis. Ang a mo nagalay sa x-axis. Klaro? Katon ko. Amo ni equation nimo kapag ang imo nga ellipse nagahigda. Kumbaga, ang imo nga major axis nagalay sa x-axis. Tandaan, x, a, y, b. Yung b ko along sa y. Klaro? Okay. Kung y naman, x minus h over b squared naman di siya, but siningon ang imo nga ellipse is nagatindog. Okay? So now, number 28 was that, consider the center of the ellipse at 1, -3. Negative 1, 3. Sorry. Negative 1, 3. So, maybe, dito yun siya. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, maybe yan dito sa ellipse, yung center niya. Whose eccentricity is 1/2? Yung E mo daw is 1/2. Okay? And the distance between the directrices is 24. Okay? So, the major axis is parallel to Y. The major axis is parallel to Y. So, but silingon guys, ang ellipse ni mo is nagmuni. Okay? Nagmuna ang ellipse ni mo. So now, ang tanong, wala mo siya mangkot? Wala mo siya mangkot? Equation daw ng ellipse. Okay, sige daw. Okay, guys, expect mo na, kapag nagatindog ang ellipse, ano yun siya? Ganito, y minus k squared over a squared plus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1.0. Sige, 1 na lang. Okay, now, ano lang binigay sa'yo? Meron ka ng h tsaka k. Tama ba? Yung h, k mo is what? Negative 1, 3. Okay? Now, hindi na mo gid tsura niya, ha? Okay? Why ko naging scale, okay? So now guys, may value ka na sang imong K, may value ka na sang H, okay? Question ngayon, ano yung A tsaka B? Pag masolve na si A yung si B, substitute na natin dito, okay na, okay? Now guys, makinig. From this, you can simply say, guys, what's this? C is just what? EA. Tama ba? Now, if you're looking for the value of wait lang. If you're looking for the value of A, okay? Guys, C is just 1/2 of A. Or simply, C is just A over 2. Okay? Now, ano man kulang given? X, Y. Wait lang Wait lang. Binigyan ka na ng distance between directrices, okay? Yung directrices mo guys, andito po yun, okay? Hindi ko sure kung sagwa siya or sa sulod kung nagatindog, okay? So guys, let's assume na dito yung directrix mo, okay? Diyan siya sa loob. Yung distance daw ng dalawa is ilan? 24, okay? Guys, tandaan. Take note of this, okay? The directrices, okay, from the center is what? 2b squared over a. Take note of this, yung formula niya, okay? So now, yung distance na 24 na yan, ibig sabihin, 2d po yan, okay? Because yung directrix mo is from the center, pakadto lang dito sa iya, okay? So, d yan, d din yan, okay? So, in short, this is 2d. 2d is just equal sa 24. So, guys, what's the value of d? This is just 2b squared over a equals 24. So, 2 times 2 was that? 4b squared over a equals 24. So, b squared over a is just 24 divided sa 4. 6. Okay? In short, b squared is just 6a. Okay? Now, sir, paano na? Huwag kung ma-solve Japon. Again, using the equation a squared equals b squared plus c squared. Guys, ano yung value ng c? Ano yung value ng c? A over 2 squared. Now, ano yung value ng b? Yung b ko guys, this is just the square root of 6a. So, substituting, or simply, pwede ko naman direkta lang din, okay? So, 6a na po yan, okay? Kasi b squared ko equals 6a, okay? Now, this is my a squared. Guys, please, shift solve, give me the value of a. Shit, dumauti kita. Okay lang, uti ta mga 1 minutes. Joke. Pila? 8? Ayos. Phone number? 8. Shift solve mo siya value. Okay na? Guys, please bear with me. Kamao ko mo Very draining siyang review actually. But at least nasanay na kamo, okay? Guys, give me the value of b. What's the value of b? 6 times 8, 48. Ilan? 4 square root of 3. Okay? Ito ngayon si b ko. Okay? Tama? Okay? So guys, final answer, final solution, i-substitute mo lang doon. Okay? So substituting, okay? Y minus k squared over a squared plus x minus h squared over b squared equals to 1. What's the value of k? What's the value of k? 3. Okay? What's the value of a squared? This is 64. What's the value of h? Negative. What's the value of b squared? This is 48 equals to 1. Ito ngayon yung equation ng ellipse. This is the answer. Okay? Guys, hindi ko malipas ang formula sa directrix ha. 2b squared over a. Okay? Sorry. Yes, pare. Shift solve lang, shift solve. A squared equals 6, 8. 0. Shift solve, hataga value, 10. Ganyan kasi sa karot.
A squared plus 6.
Kila? 0? 8 ko no? Ano, 8 oh? Try nyo lang liwat. Sige na. Gamay na lang ah. May choices man. Yes. Very good. Okay? Very wise ka dapat. Nagwa ni Samon? Hindi. May Apo G. Guys, kung why ka mo bra, basa ka mo libro. Okay? Para maglapad din yung ano. First time yung encounter ang word gani? Apo G? Ganito lang naman ibig sabihin nun. Okay, makinig. Sabi daw niya, yung Earth satellite, ibig sabihin nun parang moon. Okay? Ang moon daw, okay, may apogee siya ag perigee. Tandaan nyo guys ha, ang solar system natin, it orbits an elliptical axis. Tandaan nyo gina, okay? That's the reason why nga mo lang nga isang daytime ni wag nighttime, hindi parehos. Isa layo, dugay ang adlaw, dugay ang gabi. Now, ang reason sina, tandaan guys ha, kung lantawon mo ang Earth kang sun nga system, okay, nga orientation, tandaan guys, it's just as if nga yung Earth mo dito, okay, yung sun mo is located at one of the focus. Tandaan nyo gina, perme. Tandaan nyo gina. Si Kepler discover, okay? Hambal ni Kepler. I have calculated the motions of heavens. Now I am about to calculate the motions of the earth. Okay? So, calculate yan eh. Now, guys, makinig. Pag sinabing apogee, okay? Example ano guys ha? This is the sun and the earth orientation. Pero sa problem, actually, eto sa earth. Yung earth mo tsaka moon, orientation, ganun pa rin yan. It still behaves this way. Guys, pag sinabing apogee, that is the distance or the farthest distance of the moon from the earth. Okay? So guys, tama lang ba na ito si apogee? Okay? This is apogee. Tandaan nyo na, pag sinabing apogee, that is the farthest distance of the satellite pakado sa earth. Same goes with the earth to the sun. Okay? So guys, makinig. Kung ito siya A, tsaka ito siya C. Okay? So guys, what can you notice? A plus C. Okay? A plus C. So, tama lang ba na yung apogee ko, okay, is just the sum? Tama hindi? Okay, tandaan. Apogee is just A plus C. Guys, may isa pa na siya. Ano ba niya? Perigee, ginambayaway? Okay, tandaan. Ang perigee naman mo ya is the nearest distance. Okay? So, in short, eto ngayon si perigee. The perigee. Okay? So guys, kung halindri pa ka to the A ito, bawasan mo ngayon ng C, ilan ito? Is that A minus C? Yes, this is just A minus C. Okay? So now, anong ginapangita? Anong hinahanap? Assuming that the Earth radius is 400 miles, what is the value of the centricity of the ellipse which forms the center of the Earth? At one focus, binigay niya rin pala, okay? So guys, yung tinatanong lang naman is what? Eccentricity, okay? So, you're required to compute for the eccentricity, okay? Eccentricity. So guys, anong solusyon? Masolve ka pa, hindi na? Guys, makinig. A plus C is what? A plus C is what? Ginhatag sa problem. A plus C is what? 2, 4, 50. How about A minus C, ilan? 410. Guys, ang radius nga na, pampatalang lang na. Why na pulos ang radius nga ran? Okay? 410. This is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. So, mode 5, 1. Okay? Give me the value of A and C. X, Y. 1, 1. Okay, nalubat na ko. 1, 1, 2, 4, 50. 1, negative 1, 4, 10. Give me the value of A. 1, 4, 30. How about C? 1, 0. 20. Okay, this is miles. This is miles. Now, makinig. Lastly, pag tinanong kayo ngayon ng eccentricity, don't forget your department, the CEA, okay? College of Engineering and Architecture, okay? So guys, what's E? C over, hey, yes? Amo na di ba dati? COT. Pero before, COT man, good. So C over, okay guys, what's C? 410. What's, 1020. Lastly, 1430. Guys, what's this? Ilan si E? 0 point? Okay. Guys, ano ganyan? Bawagin na? Note, kapag ang ini mo is greater than 0 but less than 1, what's this? This is ellipse. So indeed, na-prove ta nga, ellipse siya. Okay? Yes? Question? Yung muya. Ikaw si Dax, di ba? Pwede ka audition sa Viva Max.